feel a type of way, well that's fantastic. Nothing to something and now it's drastic. Don't tell your friends, we're so done. It never ends, you having fun. Ooh, go and say it like a mantra. You know what you want to do, yeah.
Hi guys, so we're here in Ikea, and then we started with the Swedish restaurant na lang before we actually go around the area. Kaya the line is so full. So yeah, and then we're actually super hungry, so we got this one. I wanted to try the parang salmon croissant, sabay sa apple, and then of course the iconic Swedish meatballs. And I also really like this one, the almond na cake, chocolate cake. Yeah, so let's dig in because I'm so hungry. This one. This is like a wrap. Siya burger steak sa Jollibee. Thank you, Ikea, for the 2,000 pesos gift card. Pala. This is what we use for our dinner lunch pala. Tapos yeah, may pasalubong na kami. Hey guys, we just arrived here at our hotel and we're checked in at iHotel. It's not actually within BGC, but I'll just put the address right over here. Yeah, and we're trying to settle in, and then the hotel is actually really nice. It's like 1,000 pesos per night, and it's actually spacious now. You can, so there, as you can see, so there are 2 single beds, so which is good. There's no free breakfast lang, so ayan. And then earlier, it was so traffic as in. So ayan na, I was able to get a quick nap on the way here. So grabe, I was really tired. We walked all the way from here about 15 minutes pero wala may napalit. Day 2. Their coffee is really good. Guys, so we just had our breakfast at Wildflour. It's really good. Our breakfast is really good. Service is good as well. The food is ridiculously good. Charot. We're so full. And then the portions are really big. So, and I wonder why in BGC it's very strict here. Like you can record, or we can record by using the vlogging camera. We did not try using my phone though, but the camera dili pwede, like gigukod ko guard gani. Dili to pwede mag-record. So ayan, so I have to find a secluded area para ako maka-record. So ayan, we're crossing the street. We're on our way back to the hotel because we have to catch a ride back going to Tagaytay, which is exactly why we're here in Manila right now. So, kana. See ya later.